This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by Simmons Center Market.
You're watching DelmarvaLife, and if you, like me, are ready to welcome in a new season, which, by the way, starts this weekend, we've got the place for you to come because we're here at Simmons Center Market, where I would like to call the gift shop a fall wonderland, if you will. Of course, this edition of Katie's Garden Gifts and Groceries, we're going to feature that. We're here with Ricky Travers.
Good to be here today.
Ricky,
Glad
you
you
guys
made it.
are ready for fall.
We really are. We're trying to make sure that, everybody gets that mood with a little chill in the air and a little pumpkin spice in their coffee. And so they're ready to start decorating. We've got plenty of great stuff. We've got items for the inside. We've got decor, lanterns, many different things like that. We've got doormats and rugs and a great selection of fall pillows to decorate all inside the house.
Totally. Now, I also pulled these because I just think these are the cutest little things. They're little oven mitts, fall vibes. I love it. So, and if you obviously you have all kinds of decorations for the inside. We're talking about specifically right now. If somebody's maybe like, oh, what do I get? I don't know if I should get this. Does this go with this? You guys can help them, right?
Sure. When you come in, Ann or Rosie are normally over here, and they would be more than happy to help you, guide you in the directions. You know that, hey, we've got a mat, but we've also got a pillow that goes with that mat.
I love it. You can make interiors of homes so cozy. And then let's talk about exterior, because you got a lot that goes outside too.
Exterior. Well, we've got some stuff that goes both ways.
Yeah.
A lot of the wooden decor that we have, of course, it's all American made. A lot of it's done up in Pennsylvania by the Amish, and Rosie and I go in and we pick it out multiple times a year. But it's really good quality stuff, but some of it goes inside or outside. It's really unique. I mean, some of the things, like we've got this pumpkin, and it's got some stakes on the bottom of it. So it's really nice and heavy, made out of really nice wood, and it'll stick in the ground. So, number one, your pumpkin's not gonna rot, but you can still put a pumpkin outside.
Hey, I love that for you guys.
So,
that's perfect.
But it's just a whole variety of different stuff, and we enjoy shopping for it and just coming up with different unique things that you don't see everywhere.
Exactly. That's something I think is so specific to Simmons Center Market, is the fact that you and Rosie go shopping for these things. You go to trade shows, you go all over the place, and you pick this out specifically for customers. And you pick out what you like, but you also pick out what you think everybody's going to like.
Yep. Well, it's not always what I like. It's got to be, that's why her and I work together on it.
Yeah.
I might look at it and say, it doesn't hit me, but she said, oh, I like it, so okay,
Right.
It works.
Yeah.
But, it's just about getting something different and very unique. That's like I said, it's American made. We really try to push American made as much as we possibly can.
Definitely.
So we've got a boo.
Boo! Boo-hoo!
Boo-hoo, don't be sad. We've got you all covered for fall.
Hey,
so
look
all you
at
got to
this
do is
guy.
come in.
That's perfect.
So, but
do you and Rosie like to decorate your house for fall?
we do some.
Yeah.
Minimal. But we're never home. We're always here.
That's exactly it.
We've got a full selection of live mums. We're going to have fresh pumpkins, orange and the white ones, and gourds, and so pretty much anything you're looking for in fall, we're going to have. Awesome. So you want to take a look at the mums?
I sure do.
All right, let's go.
I tell you what, Ricky, mum is not the word about these mums, because we got to talk about them. They are beautiful.
They are. They really have came in beautiful this year. Nice size to them. They're not bloomed out too much. They've just got some breaking color to them, and some of them have a little bit full color. But we've got all sizes, different sizes, combos, different colors. We've got pansies in different sizes and different colors. So we've got the live flower side of fall covered for you.
And you were saying that maybe some people would want flowers that are bloomed out and some wouldn't. Can you kind of talk about that difference?
Well, if you're going to put them on your front step, you don't want to go buy a mum that's fully bloomed out, because your time on that mum, it's just like everybody else. They've got a clock that ticks as far as how much they bloom and how long they last. So if you buy something that's just budding like these, it's going to give you much more time to enjoy it.
Right.
But if somebody comes in and says, "Oh my gosh, I'm having a dinner today," or I got to give this as a gift to a coworker. Now you want to get one that's got some more color to it, that's showing, and it makes a statement.
Absolutely. Ricky, do you have a favorite color? Because all these colors are truly bright and stunning.
I would say probably the yellow is
nice.
probably the standard color.
Yeah.
And that's a great color that crisscrosses. That's probably one of the highest color that's sold in the mum category.
Really?
They're really a neat flower.
Yeah.
So and pretty inexpensive too. We got the pumpkins coming too. We'll have orange and white and gourds and things like that to go with it. So
Perfect.
and so then we can go into the fall foods, and I think we're going to work on that on the next section.
We're going to do that next month, so stay tuned for that. But of course, Katie's Garden Gifts and Groceries for September. Come see the gift shop here at Simmons Center Market and come check out the Garden Center. DelmarvaLife will be right back. Happy fall!